My dear students, welcome to the online classes. First of all, good evening to everybody. Today discussion about that application of trigonometry sums. Previous sessions, part 1, I have completed that total basic of application of trigonometry, and one more repeated the trigonometric ratios and values. So that's all terms are use it in the sum, do that solution. Okay, now I read that one sum in the part 2 on the blackboard. So first second sum, Rinki observe a flower on the ground from the balcony of the first floor of a building at an angle of depression beta. The angle height of the first floor of the building in x meters. Draw the diagram for this data. Okay guys, first you studied that sum carefully. Rinki observed a flower on the ground from the balcony of first floor of the building. Guys, just first you are observe and just imagination your mind. Suppose Rinki leave it, that place you are there. So you are standing on first floor of the building, you are observe one flower on the ground. So here that person is to see the flower, that situation is form of the angle of diffraction, that is a beta degrees. The height of first floor of the building is x meter. Which one building you have stand up, that building height is given x meters, and draw the diagram from this data. So first you imagination, that's one thoughts, draw on neatly diagram on your paper. So see, suppose this imagination your notebook, that's one draw. This is a building, AB is a building, the height is also there, that is x meters height of the building. This is A is indicator of the top of the building, B is indicator of the foot of the building. Okay guys, so A is a top of a building, B is a foot of the building, so AB means height of the building, that's one is a x meters. So here one person is there, the top of the building, her one person is there. See here one person, suppose just imagination, that person you, that's person you, that person see one flower on the ground. Here one flower is there, suppose this is a flower, just imagination. So this person I to see the flower, that is a base. Guys, so the line of sight is formed here. line of sight, it is down to the horizontal line. That L is indicated of the horizontal line. It is a parallel to base. Here form of the angle is equal to beta degree according to that sum. So definitely this angle you know that the basic points already told that one. So this angle beta degrees, this one is also beta degrees. So you find out the height of the building. This one is a unknown value. This value is, you know, that to relation what is this unknown value, unknown and known, what is the relation? That's one, choose the appropriate the trigonometric ratio. So the tan beta is equal to opposite side by this one, sorry, opposite side by SN side. That situation you find out this value. Okay, see first from the diagram, from the figure, AB is indicate that the height of the building, So in this case A is a, consider the top of a building, B is a, consider the foot of the building, as L indicate the horizontal line. Next one, this one C is locate the flower on the ground. C, locate a flower on the ground. CB means distance between foot of the building and the flower. Distance between foot of the building and flower. Next one, angle of depression, that's one you write LAC equal to ACB, that is equal to beta degrees. This is a data, the data is represented in the diagram and write that one. So in this application of trigonometry, first you study and draw the neatly right angle triangle. You are represent the data in this diagram and write them after you do it. Okay. Observe the top of an electric pole at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees when the observation point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole. Find the height of the pole. Yes guys, it is very important sum and very beautiful question. First is see, a boy observed. So here observed person is boy to top of an electrical pole. Here given the one pole, it stand on perpendicular of the ground, an angle of elevation, that means its a line of sight is a above of that ground level. Its make angle is 60 degrees when the observe the point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole. So find the height of the pole. First you draw the neatly diagram. See, I do the solution. First I draw the electrical pole on the ground. So suppose this is a ground. I draw one of the electrical pole. This is the electrical pole. Immediately name it, that is AB. AB is the height of the electrical pole. AE is indicator of the top of the electrical pole. B is the indicator of the put of the electrical pole. Here one observer is there. That person I have indicated C. This person make an acute angle above of the horizontal line. So that is a 60 degrees. It's like that angle of elevation. And one more point is there. That point is here, distance away of the put of the pole, that is a 8 meters. That means given this one. So the first point, neatly draw the right angle triangle, and given the data is represented of in this diagram. Next one, I write the some points of from the diagram. See, from a figure, from the figure. Okay, this indicate that AB is a height of electrical pole, that is equal to H meters. This one you say H meters. In this case, A means top of electrical pole, top of the electrical pole, and B means put of the electrical pole. Okay, C, here C, this one, that means observe. Next one, what the meaning of CB? The distance of put from the put of the tower and observe. Distance of from put of the tower, electrical pole, that means tower means electrical pole, and a boy. Here a person is there, that is a boy. That means observe. That is equal to 8 meters. And see guys, angle ACB is a acute angle, that is according to some angle of elevation. Okay, so diagram important, this writing also important. Next one, to find out that unknown noun. Here is a unknown, this side is a unknown value. This is a noun value, so justly write this one. Here also noun value. Three measurement are used. Which one trigonometry is suitable to solve to find out that unknown value? So it is, you know, that acute angle opposite side, this called a opposite. Acute angle side, this side, this is called a adjacent. So here what the relation between opposite and adjacent? Immediately strike out, that is a tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Now you know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Why I am taking tan theta? So height, it is unknown value. According to this angle, it is opposite side. Next, 8 meters is known value. It is according to 60 degrees is the adjacent side. What is the relation between that opposite side and adjacent side? That is a tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Theta value is already given here, that is equal to 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equal to, what is the name of opposite side from the diagram? AB. What is the adjacent side of this diagram? BC. So you know that tan 60 degrees value, already I have completed that tan 60 is very important. Tan 0 degrees is equal to 0, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 by 1, tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3, tan 90 degrees is equal to infinity. So tan 60 degrees value how much here? Given root 3. So this value I am right here now. So root 3 equal to, coming the point AB. AB is how much here? H by BC. This value here 8. Guys, generally upon the denominator have 1. So you cross multiplication the both, 1 into H, H is equal to 8 into root 3, 8 root 3 meters. What is the indicate of height? Height is the electrical pole. So finally you write the step, therefore the height of electrical pole H equal to 8 root 3 meters. Bas. Okay guys, is it clear? Now I do what? Rajendra observe a person standing on the ground from a helicopter at an angle of depression 45 degrees. If the helicopter fly at a height of 50 meters from the ground, what is the distance of the person from Rajendra? Okay guys, first read the sum. Rajendra observed a person standing on the ground from helicopter and at the angle of depression is a 45 degrees. So in this sum, two persons are there. One person is on the ground, another person is in helicopter. In helicopter person name is there, that person name is Rajendra. The Rajendra observed one person on the ground. So your imagination. So observe point is down, the Rajendra is up. So definitely this form of line of sight is down. Its angle of elevation is formed or angle of definition is formed. Definitely is formed angle of depression. That angle is given here 45 degrees. And one more point, if the helicopter flies at the height of 50 meters from the ground. So suppose this is the ground, the helicopter is fly here. So this height is given, that's a 50 meters height. So what you find, what is the distance of person from the Rajendra? So Rajendra is here, person is on the ground, So the distance you find out the Rajendra from person. So you find out indirectly hypotenuse of right angle triangle. First you draw the right angle triangle neatly. So I do the solution. First I draw the one diagram. See, yes, guys, okay. Here, this is a person. Helicopter, one more person is there. That person name is there in the sum, Rajendra. As this person Rajendra observe ground person like this. Like this. Guys, the line of sight is below of the horizontal line. So I draw the horizontal line. It is L. It is a parallel to ground level. In this situation, form of angle, that is angle of diffraction, that is make the angle is equal to 45 degrees from the sun. So angle of diffraction is the 45 degrees. So these two angles are alternative angle, it is also equal. It's from the diagram AB indicates the height of the flying helicopter, that is a 50 meters. So the helicopter flies from the ground 50 meters height. And next one, so this is one point, this point is C. Suppose this point is C. The distance between put of this ground and this, leave it, it's not given any one. But you find out what is the distance of the person from the Rajendra. What is the distance from the person from the Rajendra? You observe indirectly to find out this distance. What is the distance from Rajendra to this person? You find out that one, I say x. So x is a unknown, 50 degrees is a known, 45 degrees is a known. What is the relation between the 50, 45, x? First that's one, choose it. So this is 45 degrees is a acute angle, that's opposite side is called a opposite. This is a right angle, ABC is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this x is indicate of that hypotenuse. So this is a known value, this is an unknown value. What is the relation between the known value, unknown value? Opposite by hypotenuse. So what is the relation of opposite by hypotenuse? Sine theta. So sine theta, you take it, you calculate this two, you get this x value, that is a answer. Okay guys, now see from the figure, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now see AB. AB is the helicopter. The helicopter flies at a height from the ground of 50 meters from the ground. Next, AC. AC is a distance between from Rajendra and a person. Next one, angle of L means horizontal line. Next one, angle LAC is equal to ACB is equal to 45 degrees. These all values you are select which one choose that appropriately trigonometric ratio, that's one you substitution you get that unknown value. Here I select that sine theta. What you know that ratio form of sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay guys, now here sine, what is the theta value given? 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees is equal to opposite side name AB and hypotenuse name AC. So what is the sine 45 degrees value? You know that's one. See, hand technique. It is a 45 degrees value. It's how many fingers below? 2 fingers. What the sine theta from the root of number of figures below upon 2. So root 2 by 2, that means 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degrees value is equal to 1 by root 2. This place I write that 1 by root 2 equal to AB value is equal to 50 by AC value is equal to X. Now simply you apply that one loss operation, that is a cross multiplication. So x 1 into x is equal to 50 root 2. Guys, this x value is equal to 50 root 2 meters. What is the meaning of x? So finally therefore the distance between from Rajendra and the person is equal to 50 root 2 meters. Okay, the sum is bus. Next one, okay, so this is a 2 marks question. According to the public oriented, this is given the 2 marks question. A tree breaks due to form and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before. Find the height of the tree before falling. Falling down. As these are all are the two most question in this one important question. A tree breaks down, due to the form of broken part bent so the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree and before falling down. Guys, just your guess it. One tree is in our surrounding. One storm is there here. See, suppose the trees break up. So definitely this top is fall down like this. Thus actually the face is this like this. So this top is touch that ground. The top of the tree touch the ground. In this situation the top and make the angle with the ground is a 30 degrees. And see here the angle with the ground, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Indirectly given this meters. Foot of the tree this one and top of the tree this one, in the distance is given 6 meters. So you find out the height of the tree before falling down. Before falling down, that means indirectly this is x, this is y. This is a x plus y should be add, you get the total height of the tree before falling down. Why? Because here half portion is remaining after storm, it's break up the total tree 2 parts. So one part indicate the x, the remaining part indicate the y, should be x and y, you get the total height of the tree. Is it clear? Now, so I do the sum on the blackboard. Guys, so tree I write that just like this. This is a tree, suppose. This tree is break up like this. This is a, suppose B, C, A. This height x, this one height y. So here make the 6 meters, this is a 30 degrees. Actually, this is A. This A is fall down. That is right here only. I want this, how much distance is there y, that's also take up the y. Now I want AC distance. AC is indicate that total height of before falling down. Okay. Now see, I read from the diagram, from the figure. So AC is the total height of tree from before falling down. That means AC you write simply here AB plus BC. AB plus BC. That's one x plus y. Next one, angle of BAC, that is equal to 30 degrees. Next one, distance between A and C, that means top of the tree on the ground to foot of the tree. C means foot of the tree. A means top of the tree. The top of the tree break up, that is the fall down to the ground. This top of the tree to the foot of the tree, its distance is given how much? 6 meters. So AC is equal to 6 meters. Angle of elevation is there, that is the angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees, that is simply write the theta. Okay guys, wait, here you find out the two unknown values. One is the x, another one is the y. So this x is according to acute angle, its position is opposite. Y is according to this angle, it's indicate that a hypotenuse. Okay guys, now what is the relation between opposite and SN side? First you observe. So opposite by SN side is the relation indicator of that one of the function, that function is the tan theta. So from the figure you find out that first tan theta is the, you know, theta value 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees is equal to SN side value AC by hypotenuse value AB. Cos 30. So what is the cos 30 degrees value? Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So that's value put here, root 3 by 2 is equal to AC 6 by AB y. So cross multiplication, root 3 y is equal to 6 into 2. So root 3 y is equal to 12, therefore y is equal to 12 by root 3 meters. This is the equation 2, this one is the equation 1. So you want height of the tree before falling down. So therefore height of the tree before falling down. Guys, from the figure you know that x should be add x plus y values, x plus y. What is the x value? 6 by root 3. What is the y value? 12 by root 3. This is the like fractions, you write the 1 root 3, 6 plus 2, add it. That is a 18 by root 3. Rationalization, so root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So 18 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. This how many times cancels? 6 times 6 root 3 meters. That is the total height of the tree is equal to 6 root 3 meters. Okay guys, this is a very important question. This is a according to the public examination 2 marks questions. So application of trigonometry part 3 is there. That's one discuss about that 4 marks questions. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.